look at the kitty cat. She has a new feather wand that she really enjoys. Of all the feather wands she's ever used, this one has the most excitement for her. All the extra fluffiness to it. She just loves to watch it fly. Looks like a bird, I think. What's that, kitty? Get it! Get it! Oh my! Whoa! You caught it! What are you going to do with that bird now, huh? What are you going to do with that fluffy wand? Whoa! Jump! That's it. Enjoy it, kitty. You caught it again. This wand is a really great interactive toy. It provides a burst of activity for the kitty. She gets to chase and hunt with her natural instincts. And she catches it every time. Is that fun, kitty cat? Catch that birdie. Take that.
Yeah, I think you're done, dear.
Get that bird. Go to get that bird.